Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman & Associates, and today I'd like to talk about the impact of fault on the divorce or custody case. You know, a lot of times we'll get a call, somebody will say, I committed an adulterous act, but I still want custody of my kids. I still don't want to get hammered in my divorce case. Is that even a possibility in light of my degree of fault? Well, ladies and gentlemen, Michigan is a no-fault divorce state, which means as to the issue of divorce, nobody has to prove fault in order to get the divorce. So the issue of your adulterous relationship, for example, won't even be relevant to the divorce itself. However, it might be relevant in the court determining property settlement and custody. One of the 12 custody factors that the court evaluates is the moral fitness of the parties, and this could very well go to that factor. And one may lose on that factor if there's an adulterous relationship. On the other hand, there are 11 other factors, and they're not evenly weighted. So whether the fact alone will cause the custody analysis to make you lose custody of your kids remains to be seen. It depends what the other 11 factors show. As far as the divorce settlement is concerned, you can still get a divorce, you can still get a fair settlement, even if the breakdown of the marriage is your fault. However, you got to understand that the court has the discretion to use the fault factor in determining the property division. And the court can therefore look and say, you know what, there's a significant fault factor here, therefore it's not going to be 50-50. Having said that, I want you to know that even in cases of egregious fault, we never see a division of the assets that's 90-10 in favor of the aggrieved party, or even 80-20. Maybe 65-35, maybe 55-45, but you never see anything that's more significant than that. A lot of times the fault factor will just be a tipping of the scale in one's favor, but it will not be a dramatically radical impact on the property settlement, because one thing that judges don't like to do, they don't like to have their divisions reversed on appeal. And if they make a division that is significantly weighted toward one person, there's a high degree of risk that somebody's going to take that up. It's going to appeal. There won't be finality to the decision. The court wants to make a decision that's final and let the parties move on with their lives. And if you go 90-10, you're buying an appeal, guaranteed. So the courts tend to do, even in cases of egregious fault, maybe if it's not 50-50, it's 55% toward one, 45% toward the other, maybe 60-40. You really don't see divisions that are more unevenly weighted than that. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.